My name is Comrade Ibuayeka O. Ibuayeka, the National President of Ohaneze Youth Council. I want to address important issue today, being 22nd of October 2020, because from all indication, from all ramification, we have discovered the political elites, the political Maradonas. We have discovered that the political profiteers, they want to cause problem in this country, and the youth that constitutes almost 70% of the total population of Nigeria, we cannot allow such. When this EndSARS protest started, we maintained peace, and we have been peaceful in this protest until the Nigerian government, the political profiteers, started their conspiracy by bringing in thugs, by bringing in hoodlums to attack the peaceful protesters of EndSARS protests. And we cannot allow this thing to happen. I want to tell Nigeria government that these conspirators, they want to cause problem for us, and we must resist this by every means necessary. We are aware historically what happened in 1966 when the military toppled the civilian government and took over power. It was a collective arrangement by the military, but later it was termed as if it is an Igbo thing or an Igbo affair, and that was caused problem in Nigeria till today. Now they want to make this EndSARS protest as if it is all about the Yoruba, as if it is all about the Igbos, as if it's all about the Fulani or the Hausa people. I want to address the Nigeria youth. I want to appeal to the conscience of every Nigeria youth that this protest is not all about any tribe, but it is all about the survival of every Nigerian youth. So we will not allow the politicians to bring in the concept of divide and rule in order to divide us, because historically this is the first time the Nigerian youth, they have united together in order to chart the way forward for the economic and political survival of Ndigbo. And I want to tell the world today that because of what happened yesterday, the shooting at Lekki Tollgate in Lagos, where more than 10 Nigerian youth were killed by Nigerian military. And I want to state it categorically that it is a deliberate attempt. It is a deliberate act in order to stop the ongoing protest that will bring a renewal, that will bring revival, that will bring the true meaning of a country. And that is why they're intimidating us. But I want to tell the Nigerian youth that our generation, we are generation of lions. We are generation of ego. So we will not be shut down. We will not be intimidated. I want to appeal to you people to remain calm. I want to appeal to you people to remain peaceful. But it is important that this EndSARS protest will end in restructuring this country. I want to appeal to you people that it will give us a better government. I want to appeal to you people that this EndSARS protest will end the unitary system of government that have held us bound. And that is why there is injustice, there is intimidation, there is a marginalization, there is a high level of unemployment in this country. So the unitary system of governments must be ended so that we can have a true federalism. It is very, very important, and this is what the Nigerian youth are talking about. We don't want to cause any problem, and we will not do that. We will continue to maintain peace and order. It is the right of the Nigerian government to make sure that they provide the security for these peaceful protesters. It is very, very important. I encourage every governor in this country to make sure that they forget about the issue of putting cuff in the state. It is not necessary. What is necessary is for them to provide the security for this youth, because you cannot intimidate us. You cannot continue to intimidate that you want to kill us, but because you people have killed us so many years ago. A youth without a job, a youth being employed is also a dead man. So you cannot intimidate us. What we are talking about is to make sure that those SARS that are involved in this killing of Nigeria youth, they must be prosecuted. They must be brought to the court of competent jurisdiction, they must be tried, and the measure of their offense will be given to them to make sure that will appeal to the spirit of the Nigerian youth they have killed. We cannot be intimidated. We cannot chicken out. I want to tell the Nigerian youth that EndSARS protest is a natural phenomenon. It is something that comes once in a generation. We must grab this opportunity in order to make sure that we end this unitary system of government that have marginalized the youth, that have taken the youth for granted. Nigeria government must see it important to discuss with the Nigerian youth. They must negotiate with us so that we can profile a lasting solution in order to make Nigeria a prosperous country, in order to make Nigeria the real giant of Africa. So we want to tell the politicians, we want to tell the government that you people cannot in any way divide us with all this conspiracy, trying to make the protest as if it is an Igbo thing or Yoruba thing or an Hausa thing. I want to tell the Nigerian youth, don't allow these men to divide you people. They are afraid that you people have united in order to chart the way forward for this country. I want to tell you that we have the mind of lion. I want to tell you that we have the strength of eagle. So we will fly and we will never get weak. We will mount on wings and we will never get tired until Nigeria government grant all our requests and meet all the demand of Nigerian youths. I want to tell you that we will continue to march. We will continue to walk on the streets until they listen to us. We must continue to move forward until we revive this country, because Nigeria is like a ship hit by tornado. We must rescue this country. It is our responsibility to rescue Nigeria. It is our responsibility to fix this country, and nobody can stop us from fixing this country. There must be a new rebirth of Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you. Igboayeka O Igboayeka is my name, the National President of Ohanaeze Youth Council.